Hello everyone, welcome to Vision Sanjay and you are watching Silly Tutorials episode 2. So in this video we'll learn how to download the YouTube videos directly onto your smartphone storage or your PC storage. So let's get started. First open the web browser that you like and go to the video that you want to download and then click on the button share. There you'll get a link, copy this link and then open a new tab and search YouTube. If you're on a smartphone, then open your favorite web browser and then type YouTube. So click on this link and then paste the copied link here.
Wait a minute! You could have used Control V.
Yeah, I know.
So after pasting the link, click on go and there you have your video that you want to download. So scroll down and you get a button called generate download links. Click on this button and then you'll be having lots of options to download your video. You'll be having MP4 720p, MP4 360p, and also for audio versions you have MP3 and M4A. So with this you can download the YouTube videos or the audios directly to your storage. So this is it for today. Hope you like the video. Stay tuned for the next video and till then, bye bye.